Skar Audios, 500 watt RMS.
VD-12 D2.
What is it? DD-12. What is it?
D2.
DD-12 D2. Is that what you said?
Yep. That's the series. VD-12 D2.
Oh, VD. I'm sorry. VD. Where? Ah, there you go. There you go. If you can see that. VD-12
D2. Not the D4 series, the D2.
D2. 2 on. Skar Audio. Take this out of here. There we go. Shallow mount for a Dodge Ram. What is it? 15?
Yes, sir. 1500.
Dodge Ram 1500. 2007. Let's see. Nice and sealed when it comes to you. Extra protection. That's cool. Yeah. Heavy. Uh-oh. Got you some stickers you can put on there. I don't know if you can see it. Skar. User manual. There's the speaker. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Steel casing. Big magnet. Nice cone, rubber, stitching. There it is. And you gonna wire these up how?
2 ohms.
2 ohms. Running 2 ohms to a, what you putting on these?
What you mean?
What's your what kind of amp you putting on these?
Digital design DD CM600.
DD
CM600.
CM600.
But we're gonna probably replace that with a Planet Audio Big Bang 2500 watt.
Planet Audio Big Bang 2500 Class D watt amp. Going on 2 of these. Yeah. These gonna be nice. Yeah. The got the Dodge Ram truck box to put it in.
With the labyrinth port.
With the who port? Labyrinth. Okay. With the labyrinth port on it. And we were just messing around with some speakers and threw these in there. Of course, crack the cone, man. Those are done, both of them.
After giving them the owner's manual said give them a warm-up period of 6 hours. I gave them a warm-up period of 12 hours.
A warm-up of 12.
And that's what happened still.
And they still blew after giving them warm-up time and everything. Let me see.
Skar says warm, they break their speakers in for a week.
I see why you gotta get the...
Yeah. Got that already in route.
Yeah. See, it's hitting down there at the bottom, so Had to order a adapter to go around it to raise it up a little bit. You're gonna have to get a bigger one of these then, because these are gonna stick up.
I was thinking about getting contacting Skar and seeing if they got a grill cover for those.
For these?
Yes.
I don't know. But it's nice, man. Yeah.
Intentions.
Next video, we'll have the ring. That's on its way right now. We have the ring to go around there to raise it up a little bit. And get it hooked up and everything like that. We're going to use the digital design, the DD, what is it?
DD-CM600
DD-CM600 to break it in with. And then we're going to switch that up with the Planet Audio amp and see what that does. If that one don't do right, then hey, we're going to have to see about something else. But yeah, this is it, man. Going in a Dodge Ram 1500. See you next time with the speaker box put in, ready, hooked up. Well, matter of fact, I might come back and show you how we hook it up, the wiring and everything like that. But yeah, like, subscribe, share it if you will.